Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Desi Ghee from butter. Begin by placing 1 pound of unsalted butter into a heavy-bottomed pot. Turn the heat to medium-low. This gentle heat is crucial for slowly melting the butter, allowing the milk solids and water to separate without burning. You'll notice the butter starting to foam as it melts, which is a normal part of the process. Keep an eye on it, but resist stirring too much at this stage. As the butter continues to simmer on low heat, you'll observe it transforming. The water content will evaporate, and the milk solids will begin to separate and settle at the bottom of the pot. A layer of foam will form on top. Gently skim this off with a spoon. This process typically takes about 10 to 15 minutes, depending on the amount of butter. Maintain a consistent low heat to prevent the milk solids from burning. The critical moment arrives when the milk solids at the bottom of the pot turn a beautiful golden brown. At this point, the ghee itself will be a clear, golden liquid, and you'll notice a distinct, rich, nutty aroma filling your kitchen. This indicates that the water has fully evaporated and the milk solids have caramelized perfectly. This stage usually takes another 5 to 10 minutes. Immediately remove the pot from the heat to prevent overcooking. Once the ghee is ready, carefully strain it through a fine mesh sieve lined with cheesecloth into a clean, dry, heat-proof jar. This step removes all the brown milk solids, leaving you with pure, golden ghee. Allow the ghee to cool completely before sealing the jar. It will solidify into a creamy, granular texture. Store your homemade Desi Ghee in an airtight container at room temperature, where it can last for several months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.